And nobody cares for it. Never mind what body I am going to get next. It doesn't matter. Let me enjoy this one. This is animal species. The dog at night barking, jumping, he is not able to understand what is next life, what is rebirth, what is it. He cannot understand. But a human being can understand. So if he is put into the darkness, then what is the difference between animal and human? This is the problem. So we are trying our humble way to give this knowledge to the world. That is Krishna consciousness movement. And our request to everyone is that you try to understand the philosophy and cooperate. There is a line in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Chaitanyar dayar katha karaho vichar. Vichar korile chitte pave chamatkar. It is not to be accepted blindly. So, you are in Russia, educated young man, you can do something. Everyone can do something. भारत भूमि का हईर मनुष्य जन्म जा जन्म सार्थक करी करो परोपकार भारत भूमि anyone who has taken birth as Bharat in Bharat Bhumi, especially in high family, it is the duty of every Indian to understand this sublime knowledge and distribute it to the world for all. That is Chaitanya Bhakti. If we have got this knowledge, everything. This knowledge you cannot have anywhere. Therefore, scholarly people, manners, elderly persons, many, they are accepting our books very nicely. In foreign country and Bhagavad, it is not their religious book. We are selling. In Russia also we have got order. What is that institution we have order?
Lengthy name in Russian, but it's the International Institution which orders books within Russia.
That is an international library of the RFSSR. That is Polyansk is the director. I have seen the letter with the office. They asked me to translate it. I translated that letter not long ago, and I passed it on to that. So I am aware of what they are doing, and I know what they will be up to also. Because I not only feel the ordinary pulse of the human being, I feel the pulse of his heart to be inner consciousness as well. I am very happy that I am here after having at least the name of Lord Narayana for 6 years and so little. But people chant only Lenin's name. It is being duly compensated by Lenin's divine atmosphere. I have gone through the 10 volumes of your book, what you have written. Very avidly I read.
Which book? Bhagavad?
Very yes. About the Bhagavad.
Oh, Chaitanya.
So I've been reading the contract, control. I enjoyed it. It was full of honey and nectar. And knowledge to people who are insignificant and idiots like I enjoy it.
Gurumare murkha dekhi korilo shasana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also presented himself as idiot number one. He said to Prakashananda Saraswati, Prakashananda Saraswati asked him that you are sannyasi, you do not read Vedanta and you chant and dance, what is this? So he answered, Gurumare murkha dekhi korilo shasana. My Guru found me fool number one. So he has chastised me. You rascal, you are fool. You cannot read Vedanta. You chant it. So it is good that we remain as fool and idiot. Then we can make progress. And if we think, oh, I know everything, then finish. It's a good attitude. Guru Mare Mukha Gati Palina Shasana.
And punishment. Shasana is punishment to chant.
Yes. We felt very much happy when our Guru Maharaj chastised us. We are already reading our book, so let us cooperate. And I think if we preach systematically, the Russian people, they are intelligent, they will appreciate.
They have an interest, an innate interest
Yes.
to know about these things.
They want to get something from it. So why not give this?
For many years they have been living like frogs in a well, Kupastamayuk. Of late they are realizing they got to come out of this. When I was there, many people used to come to me, I used to talk to them about Hindu religion, yoga, etc. They have an innate interest for this.
Yes, people are everywhere good.
Fortunately,
Simply some politicians, they make them bad.
the top politicians, they come in the way. They stop these things. They had the Yoga Class Institute set up in the Moscow University. And when it came to Bhakti Yoga, they realized the spiritualism is involved. So at the earliest they want to get rid of this.
One book is published, what is that?
Anthology?
And so in that book, they have given quotation from my books.
Yeah, just come out.
And they removed the professor of the department of Russian, who underwent a very audience training in India of yoga, and was practicing in solitude and teaching the people. And they got rid of it.
So when they get the information, Yogi Nama Sarvesham Bhagavatam Saram Sadhyaman Prati Yoman Samidutta. There is book.
This is the book, Words of the World's Religions. And on the part section is entitled Krishna. And on the part Krishna, from Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Very nice.
This publication from States or Russia?
This is published in the United States.
Anthology of religions of the world.
So your book is considered an authoritative book on the personality of Godhead.
They have given nice description of Bhakti Yoga. So if you want to, we can give you some sets of books for reading, for discussing amongst your friends. Yeah. can select or any number of books he wants. Let them read and understand.